Welcome! In today's guide, we'll show you how to view all shared links in a WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web on your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to access important links without scrolling endlessly through conversations. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code using your mobile device to connect your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats and groups displayed. Next, locate the group where the shared links are stored. Click on the group from your chat list to open the conversation. Once inside the group chat, look at the top of the screen where the group's name is prominently displayed. Click on the group name to open its contact information. In the Contact Info section, you'll find several options. Look for Media, Links, and Docs, and click on it. This will take you to a page where all shared media, links, and documents from the group are organized. Now, select the Links tab. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the links shared within that group. Whether it's an important article, a website, or any other link shared by members of the group, you can easily access it from this section. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to view all shared links in a WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web on your PC. This feature is incredibly useful for staying organized and quickly finding important resources shared in your groups. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this tip. Thanks for tuning in.